Okay. All right, so this is our last and final week together. 6 weeks of two-step and swing. Tonight we worked on our two-step swing fusion. And something important to remember is that when you're resetting, going from swing back into two-step, to really let your partner reset before you jump back into your footwork. So we did a simple combination, starting at two-step. I'm gonna go quick, slow, and this is kind of nightclub two-step. Quick, slow, outside turn, and then I'm gonna go into swing. I'm gonna do a side pass turn, and then I'm gonna give her an inside turn. I'm gonna catch her shoulder. I'm gonna do it again, and on the third time, as I bring her around, I'm gonna grab her back and go back into closed position, and we're gonna go back into two-step. So I'll do that again, a little faster. Nightclub two-step. I'm gonna do outside turn. Then I'm gonna do side pass turn, inside turn, catch, inside turn, catch. And then I'm gonna catch her back and reset back into two-step. And really, the world is your oyster. Take whatever moves you have in two-step, whatever moves you have in country swing, and you can put them together into a two-step swing fusion. So have fun with that.